So hi children, in this video we are going to discuss about that 4 axioms. In that previous video I told you know about that congruent triangles. So here 4 axioms there I told you, right? So first one is SAS criterion. So here SAS criterion means so side angle side angle side. Okay, so here side angle side means take the two triangles, these two are congruent means having that same size and same shape, no? So here according to this one, this is the figure for that congruence of SAS congruency. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay. So what about that SAS congruency means here if two triangles are equal, two triangles are congruent. Two triangles are congruent if any two sides and its included angle of a triangle are equal to the corresponding sides and included angle. Of other triangle. Okay, so what about this one here? This is that statement for that SAS congruency. So what is that? If the two triangles are congruent, when we can say that if there any two sides of a triangle, any two sides of one triangle are equal to that another two sides of that another triangle, or corresponding sides of that another triangle. Along with that its included angle. Included angle means here angle lies in between which two sides we are comparing here. Okay, so the angle which lies in between these two sides we will call it as included angle. So a triangle which is having that any two sides of a triangle and its included angle are equal to that corresponding sides, other two sides of another triangle as well as its included angle. Okay, so from this one we can write it as AB, side AB is equals to DE. Okay, and here AC is equals to DF. Okay, and here angle A is equals to angle D. Okay, so any two sides of a triangle are equal to that other corresponding sides of that other triangle as well as its included angles are equal, then we can say that those two triangles are congruent. According to that which congruency? SAS congruency. If these three parts are equal, automatically the different remaining parts also same, no? Becomes as equal only. Okay, why? Because here these two sides are equal, so automatically its corresponding third sides also equal here, as well as one of the angle equal I am saying, so another sides also equal means those two corresponding angles also equal only, no? Okay, so that's why here first compare that any two sides and its included angle. If those two are similar to that another one or same to that another triangle, then we can say that those two triangles are congruent under that SAS congruency, side angle side congruency. Okay, so this is that first axiom. And next one is, another one is ASA congruency. ASA congruency. So here ASA means angle, side, angle. Angle, side, angle. So this is that another congruency. Here take that another two triangles. Here A, B, C, and here another triangle D, E, F. Like this two triangles there. So here AB, angle, side, angle, no. So if two triangles are congruent, two triangles are congruent, two triangles are congruent if any two angles, any two angles, any two angles and its included side, included side are equal to the any two angles of the triangle and any two angles and its included side of other triangle, okay. Included angle sides are equal to the triangle or equal to that any one of the triangle, equal to that any two angles and its included side of that other triangle. So here which means here any two angles of a triangle and its included side, okay, and here also any two angles and included side of that another triangle. If those two are equal, then here we can say that those two triangles are congruent under that ASA congruency. So here you have to check that the one of the length of that side, which means the side lengths first you have to check that, as well as any two angles. Any two angles like this also you can check. So by using that diagram also we can say that that is related to which congruency. Okay, so that is about that angle side angle congruency. Okay, next one, next yes congruency. Okay, so SSS congruency means here side and here side congruency. So here which means here two triangles are congruent, if three sides of a triangle, are equal, three sides of a triangle are equal to the corresponding sides of another triangle. Three sides of a triangle are equal to the corresponding sides of another triangle. Okay, so here two triangles are congruent if three sides of a triangle are equal to the corresponding sides of another triangle. So here take the two triangles. Here these two triangles are congruent. When we can say that these two are congruent? If that its corresponding sides are equal. Okay, corresponding sides are equal, then we can say that those two triangles are congruent under that side congruency or else triple S congruency. Okay, So this is about that congruence, and that 3 axioms completed. So we have that one more axiom is there, that is RHS congruency. Okay, RHS congruency. So here RHS means right angle, hypotenuse, side. Okay, right angle, hypotenuse, side. So what about this one means, if two triangles are congruent, if they have that right angles almost equal to 90 degrees and 90 degrees, and here hypotenuse are having that equal length, as well as one of that other side. Okay, one of that other side. Here this is having 3 sides, no? So hypotenuse are equal, as well as a 90 degrees angle equal, and here other side also, its corresponding sides also equal. Okay, then we can say that is right angled hypotenuse side congruency. Is it clear to you? So what about that? Two triangles are congruent. Two triangles are congruent if hypotenuse, already we know that by seeing only we can say that 90 degrees and 90 degrees angle equal, no? So that's why we are discussing about that hypotenuse, and one of the side of a triangle are equal to the hypotenuse and other corresponding side, or else and corresponding side of other triangle. So this is about that right angle hypotenuse side axiom. So here two triangles are congruent. By seeing only we can say that here 90 degrees and 90 degrees angles equal, so right angles are equal, and its hypotenuse must be equal, as well as here one of the side or its a corresponding side. If these are equal means the remaining rest over remaining angles as well as another side, that is also automatically those two will be corresponding sides, and here also those two are equal. Okay, so that's why here we can say that two triangles are congruent if hypotenuse and one of the side of a triangle are equal to that hypotenuse and side, corresponding side of that another triangle. Okay, then we can say that those two are congruent according to that RHS axiom. Okay, so this is about that congruency. So here in that congruency we have that 4 axioms, and 4 axioms also we discussed in this video. Okay, so next in that next video we will discuss about that angular bisectors, which means the concurrent lines of a triangle. Okay.